Hey my friends, it's Realtor Paul Wozniak
And Realtor Robert Crow.
with another home tour. This time we're in Maple Hill.
Maple Hill, northeast Fort Collins. There we are.
Ooh, nice tilt.
You like that?
Yeah, the sign looks great in
That's
that
my
yard.
Bad Boys shop. Remember the Bad Boys from the... they've remade it, or they've made like a third one. Anyhow, here we are in the house. Where are we at, Paul?
Yeah, 2326 Summer Park. This is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,480 square foot home on a 5,890 square foot lot.
Yeah, corner lot as
Yeah.
well. And the best thing about this lot, it backs to the new City Park at Maple Hill.
Can't wait to show that to you. So much space, expansive out
Man,
back.
it's like, I think, top 3 best parks in Fort Collins.
I really like this kitchen though. It bleeds right into the living and dining area. Looks fabulous.
It's very open plan. It's great. Huge breakfast bar, so plenty of seats for all your guests. Vaulted ceilings, as you can see there.
Feel the space in this place with the vaulted ceilings and the open plan. Really, really nice.
See the size of that sofa? You can get like 10 people on that sofa.
Yeah, that is a Super Bowl party. Or, oh, is Man City still playing?
No, I'm a Man United fan.
Oh, that's
Man
right.
City just beat us 2 days ago. Thanks, man. Hey, here's the park.
Oh my goodness.
This is perfect for you, Paul. There's a slide for you. There's like a merry-go-round.
My new challenge is going up every slide. There are
Right.
some slides in Fort Collins that are just unclimbable.
Do know that people think that's weird when adults do that, right?
In through the outdoor, baby.
Hey, here is the owner's suite. A nice oversized room this. When the camera turns around here in a second, you'll see there's a little seating area. Plenty of room for a massive television.
Yep.
All right, into the bathroom. Twin sinks.
Hey, there you are.
There I am.
Hi, Robert.
Hello, me.
Yes.
Walk-in shower.
Built in 2014, so,
5 years old, not even.
Yep.
Guest
Nice
bath.
space. Nice space here.
And main floor, upper floor laundry.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's what I
Designated area for your laundry. Not just a little closet,
I don't wanna be
whole room to walk into.
trucking everything from the basement all the way up to the main level and then up to the second floor.
Yeah,
I love the second floor
like
laundry.
you wash your clothes
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Yeah.
Here is the second of the upper guest rooms. This is their little boy's room. And down to the basement.
Hey, who's that?
That's my photographer, Lou. He's awesome. So basement's a little bit of a work in progress.
Well, like to say it has potential.
Has potential. They need to add some trim down there. That's the cubby under the stairs, and then they need to add some doors to the utility storage area back there.
And you can see that a chance for a little bit of sweat equity for somebody who knows what they're doing or can find a good
Absolutely.
deal on some improvements.
Yeah, this is their older son came back to live with them, so they put a room in the basement for them.
I might be next.
Yep. Would
Move
your
back
mum
in with
take
them.
you back? My mum
I
wouldn't
don't-
take
I
me
don't
back.
think so.
There's Lou again. I love Lou. He's brilliant. Backyard, and then we're going to get another view of the park here in a minute.
The park and the pool.
And the pool.
Yep. Maple Hill, northeast side of town, up by the Budweiser plant, off in the distance.
Yeah, you can see the distance.
Yeah.
We're only about 10 minutes from Old Town.
Oh my goodness.
I know, isn't that incredible? Park didn't look like that when I was a kid.
Gosh.
We used to lose our fingers on
We
seesaws.
had a rusty slide.
Yeah, I lost all my fingers. Basketball court, you see that?
Look at the space.
I know, acres and acres, and it's right
this park.
behind the house. You like jump the fence and it's there. And then this is cool, right? This is what I call my afternoon tea spot. So you can go up to this little observation area with your cup of tea, watch everybody play in the park. Oh man, it's perfect.
Love it. Love it. And the pool is right nearby as well.
Stone's throw.
Here it is.
Oh wait, there it is. Yeah.
Right?
Opening Memorial Day.
Beautiful.
So if you bought this house tomorrow, you could close on it just before Memorial Day and celebrate with a pool party.
Can't come soon enough.
Can't. I'll even include the pool noodles. That'd be my closing gift.
2326 Summer Park Lane in Maple Hill, listed by Robert Crow. Very good.
Go see it. Give us a call.